Namaste friends, how are you all? Today I am so proud of sharing an information about a country which is a huge and beautiful land full of wonders and well known for its spirituality, philosophy, science and technology. That's our motherland, India. India is a cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legend, and the great grandmother of tradition. Our most valuable and most artistic materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. The greatness of India as a country is overwhelming and significant. India is also referred to as a Bharat in her national language. It is the greatest country in the Indian subcontinent located in South Asia. India is the seventh largest country worldwide by area and the second populous country after China with over a billion people. Moreover, India is the most populous democracy in the world. India is well known for its rich traditional and cultural values, plus its advancement in technology and medicine. History of India. The number system and the number zero are gifts by Aryabhatta from India to the world. One of the finest and first university of the world, Takshashila belongs to India from 700 BC. Sanskrit, Ayurveda, art of navigation, astronomy, trigonometry, chess, and many more are the achievements of our Indian history. The culture of India refers collectively to the thousands of distinct and unique cultures of all religions and communities present in India. India's languages, religions, dance, music, architecture, food, and customs differ from place to place within the country. Indian culture, often labeled as an amalgamation of several cultures, span across the Indian subcontinent and has been influenced by history. Many elements of India's diverse cultures, such as Indian religions, philosophy, languages, dance, music, and movies, have a profound impact across the Indosphere, Greater India, and the world. Dear friends, it's time for to see an incredible India.
सर्वलोकं मयिकान् सरस्वती महाभागी विद्याकमललोचनी विद्यारूपी विशालाक्षी विद्यां देहि च सरस्वती ॐ ऐं ॐ मा सर्वदा
There is a lot of diversity among our people. We speak several languages, we worship many gods, and yet we have the same spirit, the spirit of India, which crosses all parts of our country and binds us all together. We have a great unity in diversity. Indians greet each other by joining their hands together at their chest and using the phrase Namaste or Namaskar. In our country, the guests are treated as God and are well taken care of even if they are not the part of the family. Since childhood, Indian kids are taught to help someone in need of assistance. The rich culture teaches every Indian to spread joy and happiness and share sadness and pain. Dear friends, now let's see a few achievements of our Indians. These are the evidences why we should feel proud of our nation. I would like to say that no matter how much I praise my country's achievements, it would always be less. Our country is our motherland. We should always be grateful for whatever we have got from our country. We should participate and put positive efforts in the growth and development of our nation. Dear friends, I would like to request you all to make our nation proud, may it be by keeping our vicinity clean, educating and empowering the weaker section of the society, paying our taxes, and conserving the natural resources by recycling and reusing. I would like to thank God for giving me this great nation as my motherland. Jai Hind.